Hello everyone, welcome to my UPSC. We have already discussed GK test first for English medium aspirants. Today we are present here with GK test 2. You can join the test series. The link is given in the description. The test series is paid for GS and optional both. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the PDF questions and answers PDF free of cost to your email ID. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, and send us to admin@myupsc.com. Honestly, we will deliver to you. Let's begin. Which country has formed its first all women communication team? Recently, US प्रेसिडेंट जो बाइडन इन्होंने एक ऑल वीमेन टीम बनाई है फॉर देयर प्रेस. Women who had held important positions were appointed in the official press team. So correct answer is US. Which state received the Best State Award for organ donation by the Health Ministry for the sixth consecutive years? 6 consecutive years. Every year, November 27th. November 27th. It is observed as Indian Organ Donation Day by the Government of India. और ये जो अभी इस ईयर मनाया है ये 2020 में मनाया था 11th ऑर्गन डोनेशन डे ऑन 27 नवंबर को 11th ऑर्गन डोनेशन डे इवेंट हुआ है. और इसमें बेस्ट अवार्ड का मिला है, जो बेस्ट स्टेट अवार्ड मिला है वो तमिलनाडु को मिला है. और ये कंटिन्यू 6th टाइम्स मिला है. The world's loneliest elephant from Pakistan, Kavan, has been shifted to which country? Dubbed as the world's loneliest elephant, this is 36-year-old bull elephant at Islamabad Zoo has been shifted to a Cambodian sanctuary. So the correct answer is Cambodia. और इसके लिए एक कैंपेन चलाया था एक्चुअली. ये कैंपेन बाय अमेरिकन पॉप स्टार ने, अमेरिकन पॉप स्टार चेयर ने इसके लिए एक कैंपेन चलाया था यहाँ शिफ्ट करने के लिए. विच स्टेट हैज implemented a PPP model for rescue and rehabilitation of leopards? Gujarat. Gujarat initiate a PPP model for the rescue of and rehabilitation of leopards. और ये PPP किसके साथ किया है इन्होंने? रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड, RIL's ग्रीन जियोलॉजिकल रेस्क्यू एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन किंगडम. और ये इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइप का ऐसा है, ये पहला ऐसा है. इससे पहले किसी स्टेट ने ऐसा PPP मॉडल नहीं किया है एनिमल्स के लिए. विच PSU हैज डिलीवर्ड ए क्रायोजेनिक प्रोपेलेंट टैंक टू इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? किस PSU ने डिलीवर्ड किया है ये क्रायोजेनिक प्रोपेलेंट टैंक? ये किया है HAL ने. HAL has delivered a cryogenic propellant tank to ISRO. And what is the name of this tank? C32LH2. C32LH2. Wolf Brigade 44, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which country? Wolf Brigade 44 is associated with Germany. The Interior Ministry of Germany has recently banned the far right group named Wolf Brigade 44, which openly pledged loyalty to Nazi leader Adolf Hitler. ये इस तरीके के तत्व सभी देशों में हैं. Which countries' rubber plantation have been recently affected by leaf fall disease? The recent spread of leaf fall disease in rubber plantation of Thailand has been a cause of worry to Indian plantation also. So the correct answer is Thailand. If you have any query related to UPSC or these tests or any other related to the exam, you can comment. Which organization has released the provisional 2020 State of the Global Climate Report? So, which organization released as per the provisional 2020 State of the Global Climate Report released by यूनाइटेड नेशंस वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो यूनाइटेड नेशन का वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उन्होंने ये रिपोर्ट रिलीज की है. इसमें 1.2 डिग्री सेल्सियस ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर इन 2020 वुड बी 1.2 डिग्री सेल्सियस अबव द प्री इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल. What is the new repo rate after the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee meeting of December 2020? New repo rate. So after this, the committee meeting of this committee held on December 4, 2020, decide to keep interest rate unchanged with an accommodative policy stance. So the correct answer is 4%. Which country has announced to establish friendship association with India to strengthen its ties? Which country announced friendship association by Oman? Next one. 3RF plan prepared by World Bank, the European Union and UN is intended to help which country? So, in response to the August 4 ammonium nitrate explosion that occurred in Beirut, the capital city of Lebanon, a new framework named Reform, Recovery and Reconstruction Framework 3RF, that is Reform, Recovery and Reconstruction Framework, it has been announced by the UN Secretary General, and the plan has been prepared jointly by World Bank. This plan is by World Bank, EU and UN. Hayabusa 2 is a spacecraft launched by which country? This is launched by Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. So the correct answer is Japan. It is a spacecraft. Which country has decided to phase out all oil exploration activities by 2050? So the correct answer is the government of Denmark has made a landmark decision to phase out all its oil and gas exploration activity by the year 2025. This is 2050. So the correct answer is Denmark. Which union ministry is the organizer of India Mobile Congress? This is by Ministry of Communication. India Mobile Congress, it is organized by the Department of Telecommunication, Communication Ministry and Cellular Operators Association of India. Cellular Association, Cellular Operators Association of India. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered the inaugural address at this mobile congress. And what was the theme? The theme for this IMC 2020 is inclusive innovation, smart, secure, sustainable. So the correct answer is Ministry of Communication. Which pharma company has become the first firm to ask for emergency use authorization from India? And the Pfizer is correct answer. Pfizer has approached the Drug Controller General of India. Pfizer जो ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया है, seeking for emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine in India from UK and Bahrain. This company has obtained the emergency use authorization from UK and Bahrain recently. Pfizer. Gaofen 14 Earth observation satellite has been sent to space by China using which launch vehicle? China launched this satellite by Long March 3B. It is a rocket, carrier rocket. Long March 3B is a carrier rocket. Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan Prani Udyan, which was seen in news recently, is located in which state? This is in Uttar Pradesh. At the recent meeting of Central Zoo Authority chaired by Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, 2 new zoos were granted recognition, and these 2 zoos are Rajgir Zoo Safari in Nalanda, Bihar and Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan प्राणी उद्यान इन गोरखपुर उत्तर प्रदेश। और इससे उत्तर प्रदेश में अब टोटल कितने जू हो गए हैं? 9 जू हो गए हैं आफ्टर दिस शहीद अशफाकुल्ला खान प्राणी उद्यान। United Nations General Assembly has approved which date to be the International Day of Epidemic Preparedness? UNGA approved December 27 of every year to be observed as International Day of Epidemic Preparedness. These are the effects of COVID-19. Union Cabinet has approved submarine optical fiber cable connectivity between Lakshadweep Island and which other city? This optical cable connectivity between Kochi and Lakshadweep Island. As per the recent study of CEEW, what is the percentage of Indian districts that are hot spots of extreme climate events? देखिए, according to the study released by the Council on Energy, Environment and Water, this is the full form of CEEW, Council on Energy, Environment and Water. Over 75% districts in India are hot spots of extreme climate events. 75 districts. What is the headquarters of UN Sustainable Development Solution Network? It is also called HDSN under the UN. So the headquarters is in New York. What is the theme of the International Civil Aviation Day from 2020 to 23? Advancing innovation for global aviation development. Organochlorine that is seen in the news recently is commonly used as which product? Some Indian organizations are investigating organochlorines and used as pesticides or in mosquito as the cause for a mysterious illness in Andhra Pradesh. Approximate uh, more than 400 people being hospitalized and lead to the death of some persons. That's why this is in news. So the correct answer is pesticide additive. Remember the name of organochlorine. Which Indian grabbed the highest rank in India in the Forbes ranking of 100 most powerful women in the world? And the answer is this one, 41st rank in Forbes out of 100 most powerful women in the world. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Union Cabinet has approved submarine optical fiber cable connectivity between Ladakh and ये repeat हो गया है, sorry for that. Which special day is observed on December 10 with the theme of Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights? It is Human Rights Day. And when it is observed on every year, it is observed every year on December 10. Which country has rolled out a draft legislation to combat radical Islamism? The French government has published a draft legislation to combat radical Islamism and calls it a measure to achieve law of freedom. And the legislation aims to curb online hate speech, punish doctors who provide virginity certificate for marriages, reduce the practice of homeschooling for children over 3 year old etc. इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. 3 साल से बड़ा बच्चा है उसको घर पे एजुकेशन के बजाय स्कूल में भेजो और कोई वर्जिनिटी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देगा कोई डॉक्टर. एंड हेट स्पीच, इन सब के लिए लॉ ऑफ फ्रीडम बोला है फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट ने टू कॉम्बैट रेडिकल इस्लामिज्म. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्रांस. विच स्टेट हैज क्रिएटेड मातृ सहयोगिनी समिति? मातृ सहयोगिनी समिति. The state government of Madhya Pradesh has issued a directive to form Matru Sahyogini Samiti or Mother Cooperation Committee. This committee will comprise 10 mothers at each Anganwadi to ensure better monitoring of service delivered at Anganwadis. This is ultimately aimed to check malnutrition among children in the state through the Anganwadis. So the correct answer will be Madhya Pradesh. What is the name of the national level summit organized by National Mission for Clean Ganga and Sea Ganga? The fifth India Water Impact Summit. What is this? IWIS, India Water Impact Summit. And during the fifth India Water Impact Summit held recently, commenced with a focus on Earth Ganga, river conservation, synchronized development. And what is this Sea Ganga? This Sea Ganga. Sea Ganga is Center for Ganga River Basin Management and Studies. So the correct answer is India Water Impact Summit. India has decided to explore connectivity route via INST corridor along with which country during its virtual bilateral summit? So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uzbekistan President Shavkat Mirziyoyev participated in a virtual bilateral summit recently, and both the countries have signed a pact and agreed to widen counter-terror partnership. They also decided to explore connectivity routes via INSTC. This INSTC, International North-South Transport Corridor. Uzbekistan is the correct answer. International Development Association, which has granted USD 400 million loan to India, is part of which organization? This is the part of World Bank. Actually, IDA, International Development Association, is a member of World Bank Group. And where is the headquarter of this? Headquarter in Washington, DC. Where is the network of central banks and supervisors for greening the financial system? Headquarter. So the US Federal Reserve has recently joined the network of central banks and supervisors for greening the financial system. This NGFS. And the headquarter it is in Paris, France. The hawker culture that has been recognized by UNESCO for its cultural significance is the tradition of which country? It is a hawker culture is a tradition of Singapore. It is for street vendors. Which state launched public welfare portal or Jan Kalyan portal to consolidate all information about the state schemes? Recently, Government of Rajasthan and Rajasthan Chief Minister has launched One Stop Shop. This is OSS, One Stop Shop facility to make available over 100 types of clearances and services required by investors. Chief Minister also launched the PWP. What is this? Public Welfare Portal or Jan Kalyan Portal. So the correct answer is Rajasthan. What is the India's rank in the Human Freedom Index 2020? India's rank in 2020 is 111. Who released this index? It is released by the Cato Institute in the United States and Fraser Institute in Canada. Kalari Pattu, which was seen in the news recently, is a famous game originating from which state? This Pattu is a famous game of Kerala. In the Khelo India Youth Game 2021, game scheduled to take place in Haryana. 4 games including Gatka, Kalaripattu, Thang Ta and Malakamba will be included among with Yogasana. तो आपको ये याद रखने हैं. Kalaripattu from Kerala, Malakamba is associated with Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, while Ghatka with Punjab and Manipur's Thangta. ये अभी खेलो इंडिया गेम्स में नए इंक्लूड किए हैं. As per the Corporate Affairs Ministry, company's auditors report order 2020 would come into effect from which date? It has been already come into effect from April 1st, 2021. Company's auditing report. It is a part of to curb the corruption, black money. India released a joint vision document on peace and prosperity with which country? With India and Vietnam recently have organized a virtual summit which was participated by the Indian Prime Minister and his Vietnamese counterpart. So the correct answer is Vietnam. Long March 8Y1, which was making news, is the flagship carrier rocket of which country? This is the flagship rocket of China. Which Indian lender has launched a banking solution platform called Infinite India? Infinite India is with ICICI Bank has recently launched a online platform for foreign companies looking to establish or expand business in the country. Which Indian company has developed the country's first indigenous vaccine against pneumonia? So the correct answer is India's first indigenous vaccine against pneumonia has been developed by Serum Institute of India. Serum Institute of India. And this vaccine is more affordable than Pfizer and GlaxoSmith. Sokar Wetland Complex, which was declared as Ramsar site, is located in which Indian state? UT. This is in Ladakh and it has been declared as India's 42nd Ramsar site, wetland of international importance. This is the highest number of such sites in South Asia. Which union ministry launched Swachhta Abhiyan mobile application to geotag in sanitary latrines and manual scavengers? This is launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Which department has launched a new initiative called Jhatpat Processing? This is launched by Department of Income Tax. Which country announced to restrict promotion of unhealthy food from April 2020? April 2022. UK, recently announced several measures to tackle obesity and improve public health in the country. As part of this plan, the government is to ban buy one get one free promotion for the food products that are high in fat, sugar, or salt. Thaubal multi-purpose project has been inaugurated in which Indian state? The Union Minister Amit Shah recently inaugurated Thaubal multi-purpose project या Thaubal Dam in Imphal, Manipur through the virtual mode. Actually, this project was started in 2040 and inaugurated in 2020. Which Indian exchange has launched future trading in natural rubber? The leading commodity derivatives exchange and India's first listed exchange MCX has launched future trading in natural rubber. Sita Bani Wildlife Reserve, which was making news recently, is located in which state? This is in Uttarakhand. Because the Tourism Ministry of Uttarakhand has requested the state government of Madhya Pradesh to bring the white tiger. Uttarakhand has made this request to bring white tiger to Nainital's Sita Bani Wildlife Reserve for a tiger safari project. White tiger cubs are present in Maharaja Martand Singh जूदेव वाइट टाइगर सफारी एंड जू इन रेवा मध्य प्रदेश। तो ये रेवा मध्य प्रदेश से उत्तराखंड इस वाइल्ड लाइफ रिजर्व में वाइट टाइगर के लिए रिक्वेस्ट की थी उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट ने मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट से। इंडिया फर्स्ट न्यूमोकोकल कंजगेट वैक्सीन, ये मेडिकल की टर्म है कुछ। न्यूमोसिल has been launched by which pharmaceutical company? This one Pneumosil launched by the Serum Institute of India। देखिए इस टेस्ट में कोशिश रही है ज़्यादातर कि आपका करंट अफेयर्स का जो पोर्शन है जनवरी 2020 से और दिसंबर 2020 तक का जो करंट अफेयर्स है उसको कवर करने की कोशिश रही है, ताकि अब जो नेक्स्ट टेस्ट रहेंगे उनमें हम जैन 21 से और सितंबर 21 तक सेलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस टेस्ट में कवर कर सके। इसलिए ज़्यादातर फोकस इस टेस्ट में करंट अफेयर्स पे ही रहा है और आने वाले टेस्ट में अब करंट अफेयर्स का वेटेज कम रहेगा, लेकिन रहेगा ज़रूर। बाकी जो सिलेबस है हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक्स, स्पोर्ट्स, करंट अफेयर्स एंड रिसर्च, एजुकेशन, ये आईसीटी, ये सभी कवर किए जाएंगे। होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। इफ़ यू वांट टू पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस टेस्ट, send a mail to us. Thank you very much. All the very best. Good luck.